Daoyun Building, situated in Nanlian Village, Sanrao Town, Raobing County, Chaozhou, Guangdong Province, is a celebrated example of Hakka TULOU architecture, remarkable for its unique octagonal design. This awe-inspiring structure was built during the Ming Dynasty, with its construction spanning more than a century, from 1477 to 1587. It stands today as a monument to the resilience, ingenuity, and cultural richness of the Hakka people. The Wang family is a prominent surname among the Hakka people, who are known for their migratory history and cultural contributions. While Daoyun Building was historically home to Hakka families, including possibly those with the Wang surname. Unlike the more common circular or rectangular tulis, Daoyun Building is octagonal, reflecting the influence of traditional Chinese Bagua 8 trigrams philosophy. This unique design is thought to symbolize harmony, balance, and interconnectedness, values central to Hakka culture. The building features 3 tiers of living quarters surrounding a spacious central courtyard. The courtyard, paved with river stones, serves as a communal space for daily activities and gatherings. Wells located within the courtyard ensure a consistent water supply, a critical feature for the self-sustainability of its residents. The walls of Daoyun Building, constructed using rammed earth reinforced with lime and straw, are impressively durable. These thick walls not only provide thermal insulation, keeping the interior comfortable regardless of the weather, but also serve a defensive purpose. Narrow windows, gun holes, and a single fortified entrance reflect the building's dual role as both a home and a fortress. These features were crucial in protecting its inhabitants from bandits, wild animals, and natural disasters. The original residents of Daoyun Building were Hakka families, an ethnic subgroup in China known for their migratory history and innovative spirit. These families embraced a communal lifestyle, sharing resources, labor, and traditions. The TULOU design facilitated this way of life, fostering unity and mutual support. Generations of Hakka families lived within its walls, creating a vibrant and tightly knit community. The building stands as a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the Hakka people, balancing practicality with cultural expression. Beyond its functional aspects, Daoyun Building is a work of art, with intricate architectural details reflecting the creativity of its builders. The harmony of its design, both practical and symbolic, underscores the Hakka people's reverence for balance in their lives and their environment.